Let's get this thing started! Oh my god, there's so much work to do! Hello everyone, it is your girl, Wolfhowl Breeze. Yes, this is being recorded the same day as the day that I told you I was sick in my inventory tour. That's why I still sound like this. And yes, again, deal with it. I felt like recording this video anyways again, doing a masterpiece tour of all of these masterpieces, because I was too lazy to wait for the comments to roll in saying, no, I don't want you to do that video. It's quite sad how I can predict the future that easily. But anyways, I think we should just start already. Alright, let's start, let's start over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna basically be reviewing and telling a short story behind all of these, pretty much. Leave now if you don't want to be bored to death. Okay, so this one, is one that I made for my friend. It's of her main animal. This one I made a long time ago on my other account, in case anyone else didn't know. Wolf Love Doggy is my main account, but I lost membership on it. It was my first account. I got hacked on it, so I started Wolfhowl Breeze. Wolf Love Doggy was given to me, and that's how, by a friend, and that's how I started Animal Jam. So, yeah. So I made this one a while back because I really wanted to make a masterpiece that I could trade, because all my other ones I really liked and I didn't want to trade them, but I was getting good offers for it, and I never ended up trading it because I still liked that one. This was a husky art that I made also on Wolf Love Doggy. Greely art. You could pause if you want more time to look at these. Another husky art. This little saying, there's a time to hang on and a time to let go. More husky art. If anyone wants to trade for any of these, then you could leave which one below, and I'll tell you if it's for trade or not. Some of them are for trade, some of them aren't. More husky art. More husky art. More husky art. This is kind of my section where I have all the husky art. More husky art. This was a improved version. I fixed the eyes a little bit, if you could tell. This for my art gallery. These random sad ones, I guess. I was being really edgy that day. But aren't I always? More of these. More. Okay. So now we're done with that section. Moving over here. This weird Dragonite, kind of cute little chibi ball thing. Dying. This cool one by my best friend who actually started Wolf Love Doggy for me. And that's how I got into Animal Jam, because of her. This was my first masterpiece on Wolf Love Doggy. That leg though. Oh goodness. Legs, what's on the menu? Legs, what's on the menu? Legs, what's on the menu? Legs. And here's this little one informing everyone that the one above it is my first ever masterpiece. This one from a friend of mine. I forget how I got these. Wow, that's quite sad. Oh, this is fun. Frog discrimination. This happened to me. I made my mistakes. So sad. This cute one, also by my friend. Let's move over here. This one, which I was planning on giving this YouTuber a while back, but never happened. This one also by my friend. She knows me so well. This one that I actually thought was good for a while. It was my first attempt at realistic art. It turned out really, really bad. This cool spike color one from my friend. Oh gosh, this is gonna take a long time. Another one of these, because I make copies of my masterpieces. Don't hate on me. This one by another one of my friends. This cute Ninetales Pokemon art. Kind of cute, I guess. Oh, but wait, there's more. This one by my friend. She changed her username, RIP. Oh, this one that's also by her. It's so cute and kawaii. Look at that little face. It's so cute. Then a bunch of these Arctic Wolf ones that I just made different color variants to. This random one. This mangle one that I made like a line, and then I just drew something off of it, and then I said, hey, that looks cool. Also by her. Jelly Jones, the leggies. Yeah, I think we just created a new species. More. This one, long story. That's for my friend to enjoy. Dying. Save the bees, or the buzz. Save the buzz because they're endangered species. More of these Arctic wolves. This is from a TV show, Blind Spot, for another friend of mine. This was like I made a long time ago. Role players. Oh, role players. I don't know what I was thinking. This cute one from my friend. I don't know how often she plays anymore. Let me guess, 30 days ago. Oh, 7 days ago. Oh, she actually comes on. More of these. More Shop King art that I never ended up giving him because his mailbox was full. Buzz, exposed legs. It's a funny one. When I actually had a headdress that was that color. I literally took like 3 hours out of my day to recreate this Are You Ready for a Miracle scene from Julian 2's video. I never was able to give it to him. Yeah. Anyways, we've got this one. I made this like a year ago. It was of my quote-unquote main look from my non-member, when this account was non-member. And I made it during the Gemology season when AJHQ lets non-members make masterpieces. Oh yes, this is a meme in itself. Pocket Doge, AJ version. Much Shiba, such masterpiece, very AJ. Much jam on. Can we just all admire that for a second? This pepper masterpiece that I made for some reason. It's really bad. This little kitty one. Not all these are by me. Some are from friends. Mango one I made last year. This is kind of funny one. Most recent husky art. This is a long story. This is a little meme between my friend and I. Another one of those. My friend made that for me. This cool one, also by the person who did the cute kawaii sheep and the calligraphy one. Another Dragonite, not a kawaii version. Not gonna explain these. I'm dead. Just enjoy them. Not gonna explain, just enjoy them. This really cool one that I actually love how this one turned out. The ear is just so cute. Then this one, Stop the Buzz. OMG, sends me Spike Pliss. Lady, what for headdress? Can I offer for glove? Trade me wings. What for Spike? Yeah. Feast for the eyes. Meme art. Just enjoy it. Delicious. More art. Alright, moving along. We're almost done. Thank goodness. This one by another one of my in real life friends, actually. This one, I forget how I got it. This one, just kind of cool one, and then this random one that I did. And we have reached the end. So I hope you all have enjoyed. And again, if you want some art, I actually have some more right here that are ready to be traded because I make copies of these because it's a great way to get rare. Alright, well, anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Goodbye!